Good afternoon. This is going to be a very short video. Continuation of the regulator clock build. Today I'm making the first test run, so it's halfway successful. I had to add some additional weight. I don't know how much, but I just dropped some extra weight on there. We were supposed to have like 6 pounds of weight, and I started off with about 4.5 pounds. So I've added some additional weight to make it run, and you can see the pendulum down there. I made the pendulum in 2 pieces. It's supposed to be one 2-inch by 8-inch piece of round brass, solid brass, but at $8 a pound for the first go around here, I just have a steel pendulum bob. It is made correctly and it is polished, and so it will do temporarily. And then at the end of this video, I made some freehand clips of the clock running, so I'll add those onto the end of the video. And I have something in the mechanism that's right now it's kind of hanging up, so I don't know what that is, but it's going to require some additional work to get it running completely, but it's partially successful. So the there's very little swing, actually. Sorry for the background. I guess it's pretty bad. I guess I could have hung a sheet behind it or something. But anyway, that gives you an idea. It is running, so a lot of the little parts I've been working on, some of which aren't even installed, but I needed to get the weight line installed, the anchor bracket for that, and I had to make the pulley for the weight, the drive weight, and also I have a pointer for the bottom of the pendulum rod. So the pendulum rod is just a piece of 1/4 inch rod right now. If you want to make the clock really accurate, you need to put a piece of Invar there, but that's hard to work with, also expensive. So I just used a piece of 1/4 inch rod right now to run the clock. But the gear trains are working, everything's working. I can see a couple of little difficulties, but nothing major. So I'm going to post some little clips at the end of this, and post this on YouTube. So this probably will be about an overall video of about 5 minutes or so. So thanks for watching. We'll post another update in the future.